If you searched how to buy shares of Crown Castle International, this short guide walks you through the process. Crown Castle operates cell towers, small cells, and fiber in the United States and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker CCI. This is educational content and not financial advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker CCI to locate the correct Crown Castle International listing. Make sure you select the listing that shows NASDAQ and the CCI ticker. In the Asset page, to review the company summary and the price chart to confirm it is Crown Castle International. Check the basic information and trading symbol before proceeding to buy. Click the Invest or Buy button. Enter the amount you want to invest, then review and confirm the order before submitting. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you don't have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before final confirmation. Your new position will appear in your portfolio after the trade is processed. For a direct link to the platform used in this demo, see the description below.